gonna give you the full rundown of the hoses, all right? This is y'all have been asking for us to give you more information. I'm gonna take the middle length hose, this guy here. I'm gonna hook one end into the output on the kettle. You wanna make sure this thing's not sitting on here like that. You want it to be like that, okay? If it's on here like this, sometimes you put it on there like, oh, I got it attached, and then you have wart running through this thing, and then, oops. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go from the bottom of the kettle out to the side in on the pump. The long hose, put it on the output of the pump, which is here. Then I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna do, you wanna be as dramatic as possible when you do that. So you can see the hose is filled up with liquid now. I'm probably gonna be good at this point, but I'll just hit the pump real quick. Yeah, there we go. The spray valve, the restriction of flow, it makes it kind of hard for the pump to prime itself. So all you have to do is just take it off the lid and then prime it, run it for just a second, and then you can pop it back on. And now